Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the bat pattern with the Harmonic Scanner. In the previous week analysis I have mentioned several bat patterns formed on the chart, and also I have made a video you can see here on the channel for the Harmonic Scanner. In the previous week I have mentioned that corn has been formed a bearish bat pattern which has been reached the first take profit, but then the prices returned in the opposite direction, where the prices reached almost the entry point, which is around 4.40. Now the price is still behaving on the market, and what we can see here, the price is still going up and down between this resistance level and the support level, and the next second take profit is here, right here for the price. So this is still open on the market. The price is still forming the range area, not going up or down, which means that this bat pattern is still in the game. Then the next one, what has been shared inside the group, is this one also here, with the CHF against HKD, where the price has reached the entry point, and for the rest of the week the price has moved sideways, not going down or not going up. So this is the pattern that has been still valid, and it is still in the game. Then what we have here is the US 50. There was information here inside. Just a minute, where it is, not this one, it was in the previous week here. It was mentioned as a potential bullish bat pattern formed on the chart, but unfortunately this bat pattern was a failed one because the price has moved below and it has reached 5071. We can see it here, 5071. The price has reached also 4933. So this bullish pattern was invalid and it has been failed one. Then during the week there was also, just a minute, on the daily time frame, let's check this one, just a minute, inside the Telegram group there was also information that there is a potential on the 4-hour time frame, a bullish bat pattern that is formed around 4895. Now let's go to the day on the 4-hour time frame to see how the price has behaved. On the, it is Euro 50. On the 4-hour time frame, it was Euro 50 bullish bat pattern that has been formed on the chart. Okay, just a minute, let's refresh this one. Okay, there is some kind of small issues here after the refresh. Let's put this one, is it here visible, Euro 50? Here it is. Now what we can see here, the price has reached an area, the entry point here, and also the price has reached here the stop loss. So the Euro 50 that has been shared inside the Telegram group with the traders was not valid one, because 4851 has been reached, 4851 was reached, and this bullish bat pattern has been invalid. It has been failed, even though the price has formed a strong wick on the price. We sit here and then return it back up. So there is a potentially that the price could also return all the way back up, but in this case this bullish pattern has been failed one. Now what we can see, there are several also bullish, also bat patterns that have been formed on the chart that are still in the game. This one, CHF HKD, and then we have a corn that is still available, but we have US 50 and also Euro 50 that has been failed. So based on the risk to reward ratio, what you can here see on the chart and also on the patterns are very important information that you have. If you have a great risk to reward, for example 1 against 3, that means that you can also have 3 bad trades with 1 positive and then still be in the small profit, or be equal or be even. So this is very important. So we have 2 bad patterns that are still in the game, and if they become a successful one, they will cover also these that are failed ones. So for this week we have still open on the market several of them that has been formed, so we can check here. When you go here inside notification tab, you have a list of all available patterns that you have selected with the filter. So if you go to the settings, you can set time frame that you would like to check. I have selected 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, and then you have a selection of the patterns that you would like to receive here inside this table. First of all, I have selected only bat pattern because I would like to have only bat patterns visible here in the table. If I would like to have another one, I can simply select cipher and it will be populated here which cipher patterns has been formed on the 4-hour time frame and also on the daily time frames. If you would like to have only bullish patterns, you can also select only this one, or bearish patterns, you can also select only this one. Below that you have a C point or D point. C point and the D point are the ones that are being formed here on the chart. So when do you want to get notification? Do you want to get notification on the C point or on the D point? And that means when the price forms C point or the D point. I usually use only the D point, which means this is the format complete pattern, but if you select a C point, then you get notification on the pattern where you need to wait for the price to go from the C point to the D point, then you can also start trading. So this is some kind of a small warning before the pattern has been completely formed, just in case if you would like to get and try to watch to trade the pattern before it happens. Some traders like to trade from the C point to the D point, so this is also potentially possible. In my case, I have put here these filters, so when everything happens on the market, when there is a 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame bat pattern format, it will be listed here, and I will get a Telegram notification on my mobile phone to check on the chart how this looks. When I get this notification, I go to the chart and check what is currently on the market. So what I can see here, right here on the chart, is the GBP against CHF. It is a bullish bat pattern that has been formed in the small uptrend, but what we can see here, it was downtrend, then it is uptrend, so it is not very clear for me, at least what I can see. Then we have a bullish S&P 500 also on the 4-hour time frame, suggesting further rise in value, but based on what I can see here, it is in line with the trend. We can see it is uptrend formed on the market. The price is behaving and moving forward to the upper side, and we have this week a bullish bat pattern formed here on the S&P 500, which has been failed, where the price did not stop here at the great support level, but it has continued to fall down even more. Now what I can see here, the price is moving down, and I can also put here some kind of a trend line to see what are very important levels for the price. Let's put this one here, and also let's put this one here, and we have this one here. Let's put this one again here. So we have a stop loss which is just below the great support level, but also we have here a support level where currently the potential reversal level is. Potential reversal zone, suggesting that there is a possibility that the price reached 4947 and then retrace back down all the way up where the first take profit. I would move this one, take profit, just below the first resistance level, because usually when the price goes up, we can see the price reach this one here, then bounce back down. So for our case, in this case, I would move this take profit here, just in case when the price reach it, then I would move stop loss just above the entry level. In the case if the price reduces back down and goes against me, just to close the trade in favor, which means to close the trade in profit, in small profit, instead going down and closing as a bad trade with stop loss. Now for the second take profit, it is set above. I would also put this one here just below, because it is a great resistance level here and the support level, which means it is less likely for the price to make a breakout easily reaching the second take profit. I have moved this one here all the way down, and also I have changed now the risk to reward ratio. But what I can see here from this one, it is a risk to reward ratio at least 1 against 3. In this case it is 3.24. This could slightly change because I have moved a stop loss and take profit levels. But for now, as it looks, this looks also possible bullish pattern that could be a profitable one. So this will be something I will watch. Now let's check the second one, CHF against HKD. Let's see how this looks. This looks as a downtrend, and we can see a bearish bat pattern has been formed where the potential reversal zone is already here. It has been touched, and second take profit is already reached. So this was a successful one. So I cannot check this one. Let's check USD CHF, how this looks. This one is also already successful one. We can see the take profit second one is used, but let's check. It was the bullish bat pattern has been formed in the bullish trend. It is in line with the trend, and if we make the analysis, technical analysis, we can see that potential reversal zone was just in between the gray support level here, we can see it here, and the stop loss was here just below this support level. So the potential reversal zone for me would be just around this one here, where the price reaches for certain. So it would be 0.9, and the stop loss would stay here, and the first take profit would be around this one where currently it is, and second take profit I would move like this. So this would be my entry points in this case if I have checked this bullish bat pattern on the time. Now this one is also successful. Let's check the daily one. Is there any possible? Okay, we have another one. There is a potential. We have a daily uptrend where we can see the price was moving sideways. Now it is in the uptrend, and currently the price has formed this bullish. The price has formed this bullish bat pattern, indicating further decline, a further rise in value. Let's check this one here. Let's put support and resistance level here. Let's put this one. This one is the strongest one is here. The second one is here. Then we have this one here. Then we have second one is here, and then we have another one here, and then we have another one here. Now if we put here also just a minute, rectangles to put the support and demand zones. Okay, it could be here. Let's remove this one so it doesn't bother me. Let's put this one also here. Let's put this one also here. And let's put this one here around this support and resistance level. Okay, and let's check this one here. Okay, let's analyze a little bit this one. Now we can see that the potential reversal zone is all around this one here, where the price currently is here formed. Okay, and stop loss is just below. What I would do to move the stop loss just here to lower the loss, and the potential reversal zone I will put the entry point right here where is the start of this potential reversal zone. And the first take profit would be for me at least below this one, because this is the first support and this is the first resistance level. So I would like to see the price reaching the first target and the second take profit. Just let's move this a little bit like this. And here it is. So I would move also the take profit like this. In this case, the bat pattern that's been formed is reward to risk is 3.63. I have just modified this one a little bit in case, but it is still 1 against 3, what I could see here on the chart. So it is a great risk to reward ratio, and also what I can see the potential reversal zone is an area around this one, around 36531, which is a potentially that there is possibility that the price could raise back up. The first take profit is much more highly achievable because it is below the first resistance level, which means if the price goes up, the first level where the price could reach is this one here. So if the price reaches the first take profit, I would move stop loss just above take profit, just above the entry point, just in case if the price goes against me, this trade would close as with a profit instead going down and closes with a loss. And then after price goes above this resistance level, which is also possible, we can see it here, then the price makes a test of the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and the second take profit would be around this one here. So we can see the price has a resistance level here, so I have moved a take profit to be on the safe side just at the start of this supply zone. If the price goes up, usually the price reaches this price level, so this means it will reach this take profit with higher chance than instead having this one here, which is just above the resistance level, because there is a potential the price reaches this resistance level, then goes down, retraces back down, going against me, not reaching the take profit, even though the price was very close to it. So this is something that I will watch also next week. Is there any pattern format on the chart? I will share that inside the Telegram group with the gold members. So if you would like to also join, also feel free to check the link below in the description to join the gold members, where I share the daily analysis if there is any bullish or bearish pattern format on the Harmonic Scanner that is potentially successful one. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.